Here's a collection of our shorts. Enjoy watching and have fun.
Don't forget to share your favorite moments and stay tuned for more.
Hey, Tom, did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
The company is opening a new office.
Really? That's exciting.
Yes, but it's in another city.
Would you move there?
Maybe. It could be a good opportunity. I just need some time to think about it.
Don't worry, you'll make the right choice.
Hey, Anna. You look like you got some new clothes. Did you go shopping?
Yeah, I did. I needed a few new things for work.
What kind of clothes did you get?
I bought a couple of blouses, some trousers, and a new jacket. I'm excited to wear them.
Did you find any good deals?
Yes, I got 20% off everything because of a sale.
Lucky you. Maybe I should go shopping this weekend.
Lucas woke up late for work. He grabbed his bag and ran to the bus stop. On the bus, he checked his phone and smiled. Today is an important day, a job interview. When he arrived at the office, the receptionist looked confused and said,
"I'm sorry, your interview is tomorrow, not today."
Lucas felt embarrassed, but he took a deep breath and smiled. He left the building ready to do better the next day.
Hold up. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean every morning.
Wait, you're talking about a cruise, right?
Exactly. It's like a floating hotel, all-inclusive food, activities, and endless views.
Sounds amazing, but is it worth the price?
Totally. You get to visit multiple countries without packing and unpacking.
That sounds so relaxing. What do you do all day?
There's everything. Cooking classes, pools, live shows, and even movies.
Now you've sold me. How do I book one?
It's simpler than you think. Once you're on a cruise, you'll never want to stop. Where are my keys? I need to go to the company. Hey, Tom, do you have my keys?
Maybe you forgot them at my house yesterday.
Oh, no. I'll come check.
Here they are, on the counter the whole time.
Finally, I'm in a rush. Thank you, Tom.
No problem. Just don't let them hide again.
Hey, Tom, it's Friday. You know what that means, right?
Oh, yes. Time for something special. What are we having?
I'm making homemade burgers with fries.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love Fridays. What do we need?
Could you please buy that salted caramel ice cream that we love?
For sure. I'm on my way.
Thank you. I can't wait. This Friday dinner is going to be delicious.
Can you believe we're actually on this train, heading to the mountains?
This is so exciting. The views outside are breathtaking.
And the inside is just as cozy. The smell of fresh bread and soup is everywhere.
I'm already hungry. What's on the menu?
They've got this hearty stew. It's so warming. And fresh rolls with butter.
Yummy. Later, we can relax by the fire, roasting marshmallows and having hot cocoa.
Oh my God, that sounds like a dream.
I'm never going back to regular travel after this.
Hi, I have an appointment for a blood test.
Hello, can I have your name, please?
Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Please take a seat. The nurse will call you shortly.
How long does the test usually take?
Just a few minutes. By the way, are you fasting?
Yes, I haven't eaten for about 10 hours. Is that okay?
Absolutely. You should avoid eating for at least 8 hours. The nurse will call you soon, okay?
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Thanks for watching.
Hope to see you in the next video.